Mode 1 goes through all the settings. We're going to turn on the light, put it on the timer that will blink once. Mode 1 is going to cycle through all the modes, 1 through 7 and off. And we'll go right to mode number 2, mode number 3, mode number 4, mode number 5, mode number 6, mode number 7, mode which would be 8, and off. As we let the light up, you can see it's decorating in the multicolor and number of choices. Could be hung on a tree, a back door, a window, anywhere you want to decorate your area. It's foldable, collapsible, put it away, store it. Simple to hang up, open the window, hook it up, turn it on, dress up your window in a number of colors you like. Check online for further detail about the products. Small, medium, large Christmas tree ladders. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something you are looking for. 3 AA's are not included. A precision screwdriver to change out the battery. Take off the screw, open up to the side, lift up the battery door away from the 2 switches and down. The 93 LED 2.0 and 2.6 lights. We're going to show you the different modes and the timer modes again. Press once, it'll blink for the timer, and then each time you press, it goes to a different mode. Mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5, mode 6, mode 7, mode 8, and off. They're foldable. They have 3 AA batteries with the screwdriver to remove, and they last a long time with the timer for 6 hours that will automatically come on the next night. They come in many different colors. The same thing goes for this particular light. You can set the timer, and you could turn the timer off with the 2 blinks and go through the different modes as you see pressing. I hope you enjoy your Christmas ladder 2.0, 2.6 lights in many different types of colors and modes. Thank you very much for viewing.